Chapter 1: The Solar System. Learning objectives. We will learn about the solar system, planets and other heavenly bodies. Our solar system. The solar system is made up of the Sun and the 8 planets. Besides the planets, there are some other objects like comets, satellites, and meteors in the solar system. All these things together are called celestial or heavenly bodies. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun. The Sun is a medium-sized star. It is a big ball of fire and has its own light and heat. No other heavenly body of the solar system has its own light or heat. They look bright as they reflect the light of the Sun. The planets, the satellites, and the other heavenly bodies orbit around the Sun. Planets. Other than our Earth, there are 7 more planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The 4 planets, namely Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, that orbit close to the Sun are called inner planets. These planets are made up mostly of rocks. Mercury is the smallest of all planets. It is also nearest to the Sun. Venus is the brightest of all planets. It is sometimes called the twin planet of the Earth. The Mars has rusty red color, so it is also called the red planet. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that sustains life. The 4 other planets, namely Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are called outer planets. These planets are very big in size. The Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. The Saturn has many rings around it. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. Satellites. The heavenly body moving around a planet is called its satellite. Except Mercury and Venus, all the planets have satellites of their own. These satellites are called moons. The Jupiter has many moons, of which the Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and the Europa are the prominent ones. The Moon. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It is closest to the Earth and is the brightest object in the night sky. It has no light of its own and reflects the light it receives from the Sun. Only one side of the Moon is visible to us and the other side always remains invisible. It has no air and water and no living thing can survive there. On July 20, 1969, American astronaut Neil Armstrong set his foot on the Moon for the first time. The shape of the Moon is not always the same. It keeps on changing its shape every night. For the first 15 days, the brighter part of the Moon goes on increasing every night and the phase is called waxing. At last, it is full round on the last day. It is called the full moon. During the next 15 days, it goes on decreasing and the phase is called waning. At last, it becomes totally invisible on the last day. It is called the new moon. stars. If you look at the night sky, you can see thousands and thousands of bright lights scattered all over there. All these are beautiful stars. They are very big in size. Some of them are even 100 to 200 times bigger than our sun. However, they look so small because they are very, very far from us. The sun is the closest star of the earth, so it looks brighter than all other stars. You can also see some bright lights moving across the sky. They are artificial satellites sent by different nations. Sometimes you can see bright rays of light coming down from the sky. They are called meteors or the shooting stars. Mind map: Solar system, planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Moon, natural satellite of the Earth. Phases: full moon, half moon, new moon. Sun gives us heat and light. Heavenly bodies: Ganymede.